Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable audio description or voice narration on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, press the home button on your remote control, then the left button to go to the sidebar, navigate to Settings menu and select All Settings. Then navigate down to General and Privacy section, open it, then open Accessibility, which is first on the menu, and then open Voice Guide settings. Enable Voice Guide by switching the first toggle to the right by simply pressing OK button. And now you can adjust the volume of the reader. You can change it from medium to loud or to soft by selecting the respective option. You can change the speaking speed from very fast to very slow once again by selecting the respective option, the pitch of the voice, and the TV background volume. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.